السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أحبائي طلاب الصف الثالث الإعدادي لغات. اليوم هنكمل دروس الجبرا sets of the zeros of the polynomial function starting from the first example. هنبدأ بأول example. بيقول لي if R2R where f of x equal x power 2 minus 5x plus 6 is the polynomial function of the second degree in x. Calculate the f of 2 and the f of 3. The f of x equal, substitute the value of x equal to, يبقى 2 power 2 minus 5 times 2 plus 6. Make the simplest 4, يبقى 2 power 2 become 4 minus 5 times 2 become 10 plus 6. Make the simplest 4, you will become equal a 0. Find the f of x when x equal 3. Substitute the value of x equal 3, you will become 3 power 2 minus 5 times 3 plus 6. It will become 9 minus 15 plus 6. Make the simplest 4, it will become 0. يبقى then if you substitute لو احنا عوضنا and ال x ب 2 or 3 يبقى then the function become equal 0. يبقى then the sets of 0 of function symbols بتاعها يبقى z f equal what? Equal 2, 3. Example 1. Find the set of zeros of the polynomial which are known by the following rules in f of x equal x minus 1 times x minus 1. Put f of x equals put f of x put f of x equal 0. يبقى then x minus 1 times x minus 2 equal 0. يبقى then x minus 1 equal 0 and x minus 2 equal 0. يبقى then move ال 1 another side, هنحرك ال 1 another side يبقى become 1 and move negative 2 on another side become 2. يبقى then what is the value of x make this function equal 0? يبقى then z f equal sets of 1, 2. Second example, number 2. f of x equal x power 2 minus 2x. Put f of x equal 0, then x power 2 minus 2x equal 0. Take x common factor, it will become x minus 2 equal 0. If 2 brackets equal 0, يبقى then the first equal 0 and the second equal 0. يبقى then the x equal 0 and x minus 2 equal 0. يبقى what is the value of x? يبقى x equal 0 and the x move يتحرك دي another side 2 يبقى become x equal what? Equal 2. يبقى z f equal what? Sets of 0 and 2. Number 3. The f of x equal 2x power 3 minus 18x. put ال f of x equal 0 يبقى then 2x power 3 minus 18x take 2x common factor x power 2 minus 9 equal 0 يبقى then 2x make the factorization. This is the expression x power 2 minus 9 is the difference between two square. The factorization equal what? X and x equal 3 and 3 positive and negative. يبقى then يبقى 2x equal 0 and x plus 3 equal 0 and x minus 3 equal 0. يبقى then ال x equal 0 move positive 3 another side يبقى become negative 3 move negative 3 another side يبقى become x equal 3. Then z f zeros of this function equal 3 negative 3 and 0. Number 4, f of x equal to x power 3 plus 54x. But f of x نضع f of x equal 0 يبقى then 2x power 4 plus 54x equal 0. Take the 2x common factor يبقى 2x open brackets 2x power 4 divided 2x يبقى become x power 3 54x divided 2x يبقى become 27 equal what? 0. Make the factorization. نعمل factorization يبقى then 2x open 2 brackets smallest brackets and greatest brackets because x power 3 plus 27 is the sum of the two cubes يبقى then factorization يبقى x and x power 2. What is the cubic root of 27? يبقى 3 يبقى that's 9. What is the sign between x power 3 and 27? Positive, and this take negative. X times 3 يبقى become 3x and the sign of 9 become positive equal what? 0. يبقى then 2x equal 0 and x plus 3 equal 0 and x minus 3x plus 9 equal 0. يبقى then x equal 0 move 3 another side يبقى become negative 3 x power 2 minus 3x plus 9 equal 0 equal solution set equal 5 يبقى then the z f of x equal what? Equal 0 and negative 3. If substitute the value of x equal 0 and negative 3 يبقى then f of x equal what? 0. Number 5, f of x equal x minus 2 times x plus 3 plus 4. Make the simplest form. X times x يبقى become x باور 2 الميدل تيرم 2x يبقى نيجاتيف 2x and 3 times x يبقى become 3x يبقى الميدل تيرم equal plus negative 2x plus 3x يبقى become x plus term negative 2 times 3 يبقى become 6 plus 4 equal what? equal 0 يبقى then combine the like term يعني نجمع ال like term يبقى x باور 2 plus x negative 6 plus 4 يبقى become negative 2 equal 0 make factorization نعمل factorization يبقى x and x find the product of two number equal 2 and the difference between them equal 1 يبقى 2 times 1 greatest take the sign of the middle term and the 1 take opposite side x plus 2 times x minus 1 equal 0 يبقى then x plus 2 equal 0 and x minus 1 equal 0 move it to another side it will become negative 2 move negative 1 another side يبقى x equal 1 يبقى z f zeros of this function equal sets of what? negative 2 and 1 f of x equal x power 3 plus 3x power 2 minus 4x plus 1 this exercise exists 4 terms يعني بيحتوي على 4 terms الفاكتوrization by grouping يبقى take 2 terms and 2 terms together يبقى then put f of x equal 0 يبقى then x power 3 minus 3x power 2 between brackets minus take the minus common factor it will become 4x minus 12 what is the common factor between x power 3 and x power 2 it will become take x power 2 common factor يبقى then the result x power 3 divided x power 2 it will become x 3x power 2 divided x it will become negative 3 minus take ال 4 common factor يبقى become x minus 3 what is the common factor between them brackets x minus 3 open brackets يبقى remainder equal x power 2 minus 4 x power 2 minus 4 difference between 2 square يبقى rewrite x minus 3 open 2 brackets x and x the 4 become 2 and 2 negative and positive equal what? equal 0 يبقى then ال x minus 3 equal 0 comma ال x minus 2 equal 0 and ال x plus 2 equal 0. move 3 another side يبقى become يبقى ال x equal 3 and move negative 2 another side يبقى then ال x equal 2 move 2 another side يبقى ال x equal negative 2 يبقى then 0 of f equal 3, 2, negative 2. Example 7. f of x equal x power 3 plus 2x power 2 minus 15x. Put f of x equal 0. يبقى then x power 3 plus 2x power 2 minus 15x equal 0. if exists يعني موجود common factors between the terms of this expression, what is the common factor? x power 3 x power 2x يبقى take ال x common factor يبقى become x power 3 divided x يبقى become x power 2 plus 2x minus 15 equal 0. Writing x open two brackets factorization x power 2 it will become x and x. Find the product of two numbers equal 15 and the difference between them equal 2 يبقى 3 times 5. What is the greatest number? 5 يبقى take the sign of the middle term positive and 3 take opposite equal 0. يبقى then ال x equal 0 ال x equal move 3 another side will become 3 and ال x plus 5 equal 0 يبقى then ال x equal what? equal negative 5 يبقى z f equal what? equal open brackets 0, 3 negative 5. 8 f of x equal x open brackets x minus 5 minus 40. Make the simplest form يبقى x times x يبقى become x power 2 minus x times 5 يبقى become negative 5x negative 14 equal 0. Make the factorization open two brackets x and x. Find the product of two numbers equal 14 and the difference between them equal 5. يبقى then 7 times 2. What is the greatest? Take the sign of the middle term and another take opposite side equal 0. يبقى then x minus 7 equal 0. x plus 2 equal 0 يبقى then ال x move another side يبقى then ال x equal what 7 and ال x equal what equal move positive to another side يبقى become negative 2 يبقى then 0 of f equal what open brackets 7 comma negative 2. Choose the correct answer. 1. The set of zeros of f where f of x equal negative. Put f of x equal 0, then negative 3x equal 0 يبقى then x equal what equal 0 يبقى then the right answer A. Sets of 0. The set of zeros of the function f where f of x equal x times x power 2 minus 2x plus 1. Make the factorizations of x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 يبقى become x times open two brackets x times x. What is the product of two numbers equal 1 and the sum equal 2 يبقى 1 times 1 sign positive يبقى 2 sign is negative equal 0 يبقى then ال x equal 0 and you take the opposite sign of x minus 1 take the opposite sign of negative 1 يبقى become 1 يبقى then the right answer equal set of 0, 1. Letter 3 if z of f equal sets of 2 f of x equal x power 3 minus m. Put x equal 2 when f of x equal 0 يبقى 0 equal 2 power 3 minus 5 يبقى then 0 equal 8 minus m يبقى then ال m equal move ال m another side يبقى become positive يبقى equal ايه equal يبقى take the right answer equal. If z of f equal 5 f of x equal x power 3 minus 3x power 2 plus a. Put f of x equal 0 and substitute the value of x يعني نعوض عن x become 5 يبقى then 5 power 3 minus 3 times 5 power 2 plus a equal 0. Make the simplest form يبقى 125 5 power 3 minus 3 times 25 يبقى become 75 plus a equal 0. 125 minus 75 يبقى become 50 plus a equal 0. move أحرك ال 50 ل another side يبقى then ال a equal negative 50 يبقى right answer equal negative 50. Number 5 if zf equal 1 و negative 2 f of x equal x power 2 plus x plus open two brackets ال x باور 2 يبقى become x and x. Zeros of this function 1 and negative 1 يبقى become in the brackets negative 1 and positive. Multiplying negative 1 and 2 يبقى become negative 2. يبقى right answer equal what? Equal negative 2. If negative 3 comma 3 is the set of zeros of the function f, where f of x equal x power 2 plus a, find the value of a. What f of x equal 0? If x equal 5 يبقى then 5 power 2 a plus and substitute يعني هنعوض of x equal 3 or negative 3 يبقى equal 3 in all power 2 plus a يبقى then become 0 equal 9 plus a. Move in 9 another side يبقى then a equal negative 9. يبقى then the value of a equal negative 9. Another question, if the sets of the zeros of the function f, where f of x equal a x power 2 plus b x plus 15 is sets of 3 and 5, find the value of a and b. If 3 and 5 is the zeros of this function, يبقى put f of x equal 0 and substitute the value of x equal 3 and 5. يبقى then 3 power 2 a plus 3b plus 15 equals 0. Make the simplest form. 3 power 2 يبقى become 9a plus 3b plus 15 equal 0. Rewrite 9a plus 3b and move 15 another side, it will become negative 15. Divided all sides power by 3, it will become 3a plus b equal negative 5. This is the first equation. Another equation, 5b plus 15 equal 0. يبقى 25 a plus 5b plus 15 equal 0. Move 15 another side, it will become 25 a plus 5b equal negative 15. Divided in all sides of this equation by 5, it will become 5a plus b equal negative 3. This is the second equation. Solving the two equations into variables a and b by using the omitting methods or substitution method, يبقى rewrite equation number 1 3a plus b equal negative 5 multiplying the first by -1 will become -3a -b equal 5. cancel هنشيل ال a with -a. 5 minus 3 will become 2a equal 3 plus 5 will become 2. يبقى then 2a equal 2 divided by 2 يبقى then a equal 1. Substitute the value of a any equation. يبقى 5a plus b equal -3. What is the value of a? Value of a equal 1. يبقى 5 times 1 plus b equal -3. يبقى then 5 plus b equal -3. move يعني نحرك ال 5 another side يبقى become b equal -3 minus -5 يبقى then b equal -. remember تذكر ال f of x equal 0 يبقى then 0 of f equal what? equal r. ال f of x equal number 3 or 4 يبقى then z of f equal what? equal